What if I told you that the way you respond to being ignored determines whether you are seen as weak or as a man of unshakable value? Think about it. When a woman ignores most men, they panic. They double text, overanalyze, and beg for attention, without realizing that every desperate action they take strips away their power. They become predictable, easy to manipulate, and worst of all, forgettable. But a man who understands Stoicism and dark psychology knows that power doesn't come from chasing, it comes from control. A true Stoic does not seek validation. He does not beg for a woman's attention because he knows his worth is not defined by external things. He remains indifferent, unshaken, and in doing so, he shifts the power dynamic in his favor. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to handle it when a woman ignores you, how to destroy her ego without saying a single word, and how to make her realize she just made a mistake. Because the truth is, a woman will only value you if she believes you are a man she could lose, and a man who is unaffected by her absence is the one she ends up chasing. Before we begin, drop a comment saying, "Silence is my weapon," if you understand that true power belongs to the man who controls himself. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Why women ignore men, the harsh truth. Before you react, before you let emotions take control, you need to understand one fundamental truth. When a woman ignores you, it's not about you, it's about control. Women use silence as a psychological tool, and the way you respond determines whether you maintain power or give it away. There are 3 main reasons why a woman ignores a man. The first is that she is testing your value. She wants to see if you will break, if you will chase, if you will crumble under the weight of her silence. Most men do. They double text, ask what's wrong, or try harder, unknowingly proving that they lack self-control. The moment you chase, you lose. The second reason is that she craves validation, not commitment. Some women love the feeling of being desired, but have no real intention of reciprocating. They thrive on the power of making men compete for their attention, using their silence to make you question yourself. If you fall for this, you become just another pawn in her game, one that she can ignore and pick up at will. And finally, the third reason is that she's losing interest. But that doesn't matter. The biggest mistake men make when a woman pulls away is trying to prove their worth to her. They suddenly become more available, more affectionate, more desperate, when in reality, the only way to maintain respect is through indifference. If she loses interest, let her go. A high-value man does not beg to be chosen. A Stoic man understands this. A man does not beg for attention. He is the sun. Whether she chooses to see his light is her decision. If she ignores you, your response should be one of complete control, of unwavering composure. It's not your job to fix the situation, and it's certainly not your job to prove your worth to someone who fails to see it. Your job is to stay grounded, focused, and completely unbothered. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in the next section, the most powerful response when a woman ignores you. But before we continue, drop a comment saying, "I am the prize," if you refuse to be affected by a woman's games. Now let's continue. Number 2, the deadliest response: nothing. Most men fail in this game because they feel the need to do something when a woman ignores them. They send another text, ask if something is wrong, or try to win her attention back. But here's the truth. The most powerful response is silence. When a woman ignores you, she expects a reaction. She wants to feel wanted, to see you scramble for her validation, to confirm that she still has control over your emotions. The moment you react, whether through frustration, pleading, or excessive effort, you give her exactly what she wants, the knowledge that she has power over you. But a man who understands Stoicism and dark psychology knows that power belongs to the one who controls himself. The strongest move is to do absolutely nothing. No texts, no calls, no watching her stories, no sudden social media posts designed to get her attention. Nothing. This is the power of apatheia, a Stoic principle meaning freedom from being disturbed by external forces. You become untouchable, And when you refuse to react, something strange happens. She starts to wonder. She questions if you ever cared in the first place, if she made a mistake, if she's losing something valuable. This is how you destroy her ego without lifting a finger. She is used to being chased. Break that pattern. The moment she feels ignored, she becomes the one questioning herself. And here's where most men go wrong. The silence gets uncomfortable, and they break it first. They cave, they send that one last message, and immediately all the power they gained is lost. So ask yourself, are you a man who reacts emotionally, or are you a man who commands respect through discipline? If you are in control of yourself, drop a comment saying, "I control my emotions." Now let's move on to the next section, the key to regaining power, shifting your focus. Number 3, shift your focus, build your value. When a woman ignores most men, they freeze. They obsess over why she isn't responding, check their phone every few minutes, and overanalyze every past interaction. But this mindset is exactly what keeps them weak. A Stoic man understands that his time, his energy, and his focus are his most valuable assets. And he never wastes them on someone who does not reciprocate. Instead of dwelling on her silence, he uses that energy to improve himself. This is where the real shift in power happens. When she ignores you, you don't chase, you evolve. You put all your energy into leveling up your physique, your finances, your skills, and your mindset. You go to the gym and sculpt yourself into the kind of man who doesn't need validation. You focus on your mission, your business, your career, your goals. You become the man that women regret ignoring. But here's the key. You don't do this for her. You don't post pictures hoping she sees them. You don't try to make her jealous. You do it because you are a man of purpose. And when a man is focused on his path, he naturally becomes more attractive. Women don't desire men who beg for attention. They desire men who are desired by others. This is the power of pre-selection. When a man's value is recognized by the world, women instinctively chase him. So the next time she ignores you, don't waste a second thinking about her. Instead, ask yourself, what can I do today to make my future self proud? And if you are committed to leveling up, not for her but for yourself, drop a comment saying, "I move forward, never back." Now let's get into the psychological move that will make her feel replaceable. Number 4, the psychological move, make her feel replaceable. Women are used to being the prize. They've been told their whole lives that men should compete for them, chase them, and prove their worth. The moment you break this pattern, you shatter their perception of control. And the fastest way to do this? Make her feel replaceable. This isn't about revenge. It's about demonstrating through your actions that her absence means nothing to you. The moment she realizes she isn't special to you, that you have options, that your life is just as good, if not better, without her, she will start questioning everything. The psychological secret here is scarcity. People don't value what is always available. But when they feel they are losing something valuable, their mind goes into panic mode. So how do you apply this? Simple. Stop watching her stories. Stop liking her pictures. Stop giving her free validation. Become more social, more active, and more mysterious. She needs to feel like she's missing out. Subtly elevate yourself in ways she can't ignore. This could be through your physical transformation, your lifestyle improvements, or simply your presence in new environments. Here's where it gets powerful. When she realizes that you're no longer thinking about her, that you're no longer waiting, that you're surrounded by new people and new opportunities, her ego will take a hit. She will start to wonder, did I make a mistake? Why isn't he affected? Was he even interested in me at all? And that is the moment she starts chasing. Because the reality is, women never want to feel replaceable. But the moment they do, they either come back or they regret losing you forever. If you are a man who refuses to be anyone's option, drop a comment saying, "I am the storm." Now let's move into the most crucial part, how to control the frame if she comes back. Number 5. If she comes back, control the frame. At this point, something interesting happens. When a woman realizes she no longer has control over your emotions, she starts to come back, but not in the way you might expect. She won't always come back with a direct apology or an obvious sign of interest. No, she'll be subtle. She might like an old photo, watch your stories again, or send a casual, "Hey, how have you been?" text. This is where most men fail. The moment she returns, they rush back in with excitement, acting as if nothing ever happened. They reward her for pulling away. And just like that, she wins again. A stoic man, however, understands the power of control. He doesn't rush back. He doesn't act desperate. He stays indifferent. Here's exactly how to respond if she comes back. If she texts you, take your time responding. There is no rush. In fact, waiting a few hours, or even a full day, sends a clear message. You are not sitting around waiting for her. Keep your responses short, direct, and slightly distant. No long paragraphs, no reminiscing, no validation. A simple, casual response keeps you in control. Do not immediately ask to see her. Let her feel that she has to work for your attention again. If she's interested, she will put in effort. If she's just checking to see if she still has power over you, she will fade away again. Either way, you win. When a woman ignores you and you do nothing, you shift the power dynamic. When she returns and you remain indifferent, you cement your position as the one in control. The moment she realizes she cannot manipulate your emotions, she sees you differently, and that's when she begins to chase. If you understand that control is everything, drop a comment saying, "I am unshaken." Now let's move into the final power move, staying unbothered no matter what happens. Number 6. The final power move, stay unbothered. At the end of the day, it all comes down to one thing, remaining unbothered no matter what happens. Whether she comes back or stays gone, it doesn't change your mission. Whether she regrets ignoring you or moves on, it doesn't shake your mindset. You are a man of discipline, not distraction. This is where most men lose. They do everything right. They go silent, they focus on themselves, they regain control. But the moment she gives them a little bit of attention, they crumble. They go back to chasing, and just like that, they undo all the power they built. A stoic man never breaks frame. His emotions are not dictated by external events, especially not by a woman's inconsistency. He knows that true confidence is not about proving his worth to others. It's about knowing his worth within himself. This is why, no matter what happens, you must remain indifferent. If she returns, it's her turn to prove she is worthy of your time. If she stays gone, you continue building yourself into the kind of man who never has to chase, because women chase him. Marcus Aurelius once said, "A real man doesn't beg, he builds." And that's exactly what you're going to do. If you understand that your energy is sacred and your time is valuable, drop a comment saying, "I build my own kingdom." Now let's wrap this up with the final lesson, becoming the man she regrets ignoring. Number 7. Be the man she regrets ignoring. At the end of it all, the real victory isn't in making her chase. It's in becoming the kind of man who doesn't even notice when he's ignored. Because here's the truth, women don't regret ignoring weak men. They regret ignoring men who level up, men who walk away without a second thought, men who never needed them in the first place. She won't regret ignoring the guy who begged for her attention. She won't regret ignoring the guy who double-texted or waited around, hoping she'd come back. But she will regret ignoring the man who used her silence as fuel to become even greater. So the next time a woman ignores you, let her. Your response should be to sharpen your mind, build your body, expand your empire, and live a life so fulfilling that you don't have time to care about someone who couldn't see your value. When she sees you thriving without her, when she realizes she's just a distant memory in your story, that's when she'll regret it. But by then, it won't even matter to you. Because a king does not chase, he attracts. If you are committed to becoming the man she regrets ignoring, drop a comment saying, "I am the prize." And if you found this powerful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another video filled with wisdom that builds your unshakable mindset. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay focused, and stay untouchable.